here earlier.
Chop through the drain pipe?
No, well the dig at the pith, it's nice and it's not that strong.
Oh yeah.
I hit it, but
Did you know it was it?
yeah, I felt it and I was like, oh, I wasn't sure what it was, and I was like, oh, it's probably either the drain pipe or the thing that I put in here. But yeah, I mean, all this was from that pole over there. You can see.
Yeah.
It goes a long way. Ground bond to the reinforcing mesh, and then I'm just going to crimp link this on, and that will go to up to the earth bar. Got one on the other side as well. Unfortunately it had been cut off, so I'm going to have to chisel out a bit of concrete to get access to it to put a crimp on, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway. And just put drawstrings in there for now, but I can put the snake away. Oh, that went smoother than I thought it would. There we go, and then I can cut this off. This floor box, I'll pull this cover off and see what's underneath. I haven't pulled it off since the concrete's been poured, but now I've got a little bit of time. I'll check it out, and I also want to get some draw wires into here, clean up the conduits if I need to, and then that'll be ready for fit off effectively. So flooring will go down up to it, and then it'll have a lid that goes on, which I'll show you in a later video. Yeah, I've got these two draw wires there ready to go. They go to the kitchen, so bloody beautiful.
Keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like ooh.
The straw line into where the floor box is. So I was trying to think of the most efficient way to get from the switchboard to up to the sort of the deck area. That'll be for outside lighting and outside power, maybe audio, but we'll see. But I can do anything at any point from the server room via the floor box. It will slow things down a little bit, but in terms of the amount of underground work that I had to try and do, this was the most efficient way to do it. And I can just leave this empty for as long as I need to, and go from there. So as you can see, it goes from there over to here, and then that goes, one of these goes back that way underneath over to there. Brilliant.
Suit you.
3-7. A little bit of a heavy there, but 3-7 over a 5mm gap.
Yeah.
Yep.
1mm gap.
Yep. 3705.
Yep.
Tight.
3-7. And you know what way you're doing it.
Same way as
Same way as
just
the
did that
other
last
one, yeah. Right, okay, Jacko.
Okay, Michael. Right hot there.
Just go down about 5.
Introducing the Southern Cross Pedal Forces. Your pet
Oh no, just going to give you 5.
to nominate your pet forces. Text PET to 559. The Mackenzie Dwellers end of season sale going now. Subject to